Ooh, brother.
Welcome to What's Life After College, Episode 5, Traveler Edition. Mahabang video ahead. So right now, kakababa lang namin sa DLTV. Waiting for our Grab to pick us up. Tapos, diretso na kami ng MOA. Kasi doon yung pick up naman namin from MOA to Buscalan. Just an update, we're here at MOA na, Seaside. And we're waiting for the others. And we'll go to Buscalan na later. Masaya kami.
Weh.
This guy's good, bro. We're a ball, man. For the second one, checkpoint, right, guys?
Hi guys, so we're here now at Buscalan na. That's the Buscalan village. Tapos buti na lang ngayon. May ginawa na silang hanging bridge. So, hindi ka na para bababa doon sa sakit. Dito ka na lang. At the Buscalan at last.
Mainit.
Oh!
Which one? Ah, I see. How is it, Tim?
Kinda good.
You get used to it, yeah?
Yap. What's life after college? Ito, nagpapatato. Si ate na stress sa akin. I think I need some electrolytes.
Tapusin natin to bago ka kakain. OA.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you po.
Picture. Nice differential?
Thank you, Oscar.
Like this.
Like this? Oh, wow. We can do that, yeah?
Wanna go?
Just doing my job here. Hi guys, I'm back and ngayon pabalik na kami from Buscalan. Second day here at Buscalan and now we're going to Sagada. Then this is their Hi guys, we're now here at Sagada Homestay. Tapos ang cool lang nung napuntahan naming homestay kasi paglabas ang ganda ng view, diba? Ito pa isang cool. Makakita ka dito ng coffee tree.
There's the marshmallow, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies, try the taste of marshmallow. Mmm. Healthy. What you do again? You toast it again. And we out. I feel like a green laser in my camera.
It's a lens flare.
How do you get rid of it?
Put an ND filter.
Life after college. How are you? Back to you, Tim.
This is life after college. Finding myself.
The transition.
Transition video.
Oh, brother. Baby, do you know?
Hey!
Ooh, brother.
What the hell? Yeah.
Is this good for like after graduating? Yeah. Life after graduating.
Hi guys, welcome to What's Life After College. Syempre POV ko. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Sagada. And believe it or not, nag-hike kami ng matagal. Almost 5 hours. Or 5 hours na pala.
Balang araw ay kakayanin ko rin makita na ikaw ay wala na sa aking piling. Kahit na mahirap kalimutan ang lahat ng alaala, iyong tandaan na ako'y masaya, ika'y malaya na. Ako ay pipikit, hihinga ng malalim, sa uli ay bibitaw.
Hi guys, now we're here at Rice Terraces in Banawe. Look at that view. So nice. Ito daw yung best spot sabi ni Kuya Jover of Juan Explorer. So guys, if you want to travel dito sa north, kahit saan dito sa north, contact nyo lang Juan Explorer. Eddie, thank you for watching. See you next episode.